Forgive me, truck. Don't brake! Don't brake! What's up, guys and gals? J-Rock here from the YKP channel. We're here with the 2004 Ford Ranger. You might recognize it from the channel and other videos. We've gotten some requests. People wanted to know a little bit more about the truck, so we decided to do a walk around today. New tires. The Edge decals are fake. I just like how they looked. All the real Edge trucks had V6s. This is a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. This truck's equipped with 3 factory options. 1, the factory Ford bed liner. 2 is an automatic transmission, and 3 is air conditioning that no longer conditions. By the way, we are using our brand new Optica VM3000 microphone, so let us know in the comments what you think about the audio quality. We also have a review of the Optica going up on the channel very soon. The people asked about some of the modifications that were done to the truck. Well, it has these beautiful chrome wheel covers. That's right. They're not chrome rims, it's a hubcap. As you may have seen in the other videos, this thing gets ridiculous gas mileage. On the highway it'll do 30, no problem at all. Let's take a look at the interior. Door panel, yes. Has a steering wheel and an airbag. We have the OBD2 scan gauge. We also installed the best OEM radio that Ford ever made. This came out of a 2011 Ranger, and has the AM/FM CD player with MP3 capability and auxiliary. This was a little bit of a wiring challenge, installing the 1/8" jack to plug in a phone or a music player. Actually sounds really good. Candy. Done some upgrades on the speakers. Can't really see it, but behind those grills are Infinity 2-ways with aimable tweeters. This truck was originally equipped with only 2 speakers, but we wired the additional 2 behind the seat with Rockford Fosgate. That involved taking the seat out and getting underneath it, which is where the wiring connectors all are. Air freshener, very important. Hey look, a GoPro. You basically get vinyl seats and rubber flooring. This is one of the least expensive trucks that you could buy at the time. I know a lot of people were upset that Ford stopped making these things, because the new Ranger's like $30,000. And 30 grand is just ridiculous for a small truck. It was originally assigned to a fleet driver who installed garage doors for a living. I think he ate too many bean burritos too, because the driver's side seat, it looks a little melted. It has a headliner that somehow, some way, hasn't drooped yet. Let's take a look at that odometer reading. 255,439. And counting. This is an XL model, which is a base. It's ordered the way most fleet trucks were, with a couple of additional options like the automatic, the bed liner, and the air conditioning that we mentioned. But 255,000 miles. Now, I may be slightly biased, but coming from somebody that's owned more vehicles over the years than they have pairs of underwear, I would say for a vehicle with over $250,000 on it, condition-wise, this one's pretty good. And fortunately, there's no rust, because here in Wyoming, that just doesn't happen. The Edge, living on the edge. I hope the audio is tolerable in this. GoPro, not so great for sound. Video, thumbs up. There are quite a few scratches and dings and a couple of dents in this thing, but overall, all considering, 255,000. Can't really complain. Now, I will say, I didn't put the majority of the miles on the vehicle. I bought it with over 200. Mr. Fleet Guy, who was a big fan of those bean burritos, he put all the miles on this thing. Maybe they call it a bed because he slept back here. I don't know. How else are you going to put so many miles on a vehicle? You got to live in the doggone thing. Let's get under that hood. There's that massive powerhouse of an engine. 2.3 liter 16 valve Mazda-built inline 4. It makes just under 150 horsepower. We should do a drive video so you can hear what it sounds like, and you know we're going to let her eat. Yeah, who wouldn't want a drive video of a truck with 250,000 miles on it? So what is 250,000 miles? Well, let's think about it in these terms. This truck has been to the moon and part of the way back. Well, now the old po-po just went by. All right, we're gonna do a 0 to 200 run. going to get to 200. Gas mileage is a wide open throttle. I'm thinking it's not that great. This looks like a good place to let her eat. No worries. The speed limit on this racetrack's unlimited. He's good. Forgive me, truck. I know I ask a lot of you. One last time. Don't brake. Don't brake. Had no idea I didn't get most of the video with the Nikon. You big junker. But every now and then it is good to exercise it. Every now and then it is good to let her eat. Every now and then it is good to beat the ever-living piss out of it, because that's what we do on the YKP channel. Let's take that again. Camera equipment, important. So people wanted to know about some of the modifications that have been done. Let's pull that rock out of the tire. It's got a fake set of edge stickers. It also has fake chrome wheels. Right there. This truck was originally configured with only two. This truck was originally equipped with only 2 speakers. This truck was originally equipped with only 2 speakers. Rockford.